Ever feel like your brilliant project ideas vanish into thin air, leaving you with a scattered mess of tasks and missed deadlines? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple projects can feel like trying to herd cats. But what if I told you there's a visual, intuitive, and dare I say, fun way to bring order to that chaos? That's right, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of Trello and, more specifically, how to harness its power to create a rock-solid project plan. Forget those static spreadsheets and endless email chains. Trello offers a dynamic and collaborative environment that can transform the way you manage your projects. Think of Trello as your digital whiteboard, infinitely expandable and customizable to fit any project, big or small. At its heart are boards, lists, and cards, a simple yet incredibly versatile system. Boards represent your projects, lists act as stages in your workflow, and cards hold individual tasks. This visual structure allows you to see the entire project lifecycle at a glance, from initial ideas to final deliverables. But simply opening a Trello board isn't a project plan. A true project plan provides a roadmap, outlining the steps needed to achieve your goals, assigning responsibilities, and setting deadlines. It's the foundation upon which successful projects are built. And that's exactly what we're going to create together in Trello. So, grab your virtual hard hat, because we're about to lay the groundwork for project success. Step 1. Setting up your project board. First things first, let's create a dedicated space for your project. In Trello, this starts with a new board. Give it a clear and concise name that reflects your project. For example, if you're planning a website redesign, something like Website Redesign Project works perfectly. Once your board is created, take a moment to think about the main stages of your project. These will become your initial lists. Common examples include to do, in progress, review, and done. However, feel free to customize these to match your specific workflow. For a content creation project, you might have lists like idea backlog, drafting, editing, scheduling, and published. The key is to visualize the natural progression of your tasks. Step 2. Populating your board with cards. Now comes the exciting part, adding your individual tasks as cards within the appropriate lists. Think of each card as a mini container for all the information related to a specific task. Be as specific as possible when naming your cards. Instead of just write blog post, try write blog post on 5 ways Trello boosts productivity. Click Add a card under a list, type your task, and hit enter. Don't worry about getting everything perfect at this stage. You can always edit and refine later. Brainstorm all the necessary tasks to complete your project and populate your lists accordingly. Step 3. Adding detail with card descriptions. The card title is just the tip of the iceberg. Click on a card to open its back, and you'll find a wealth of options to add crucial details. The description field is your space to elaborate on the task. Include specific instructions, links to relevant documents, or any other information the assigned team member might need. Think of the description as a mini brief for that particular task. The more detail you provide upfront, the less confusion and back and forth you'll have later. Step 4. Assigning team members. Collaboration is often key to project success, and Trello makes it easy to assign responsibilities. Within a card, you'll find a Members section. Click Join to assign yourself or search for other team members on your Trello board and add them to the card. Clearly assigning ownership ensures everyone knows who is responsible for each task, fostering accountability and streamlining communication. Step 5. Setting deadlines with due dates. Time is a critical factor in any project. Trello's Due Date feature allows you to set deadlines for individual tasks. Click on Due Date within a card, select the date and time, and even set reminders to keep everyone on track. Visualizing deadlines on the board helps you identify potential bottlenecks and ensure that tasks are completed in a timely manner to meet overall project goals. Step 6. Breaking down tasks with checklists. Some tasks are complex and involve multiple substeps. This is where checklists come in handy. Within a card, click on Checklist and create a list of smaller actions required to complete the main task. As team members complete each item on the checklist, they can mark it as done, providing a clear visual representation of progress within the larger task. This helps break down overwhelming tasks into manageable steps. Step 7. Adding visual cues with labels. Labels are a fantastic way to add visual organization to your Trello board. You can create custom labels with different colors and names to categorize tasks based on priority, status, department, or any other criteria relevant to your project. For example, you might use red labels for high-priority tasks, green for completed subtasks, or blue for tasks related to a specific feature. These visual cues allow you to quickly scan your board and understand the overall status and priorities. Step 8. Attaching relevant files. Need to share documents, images, or other files related to a specific task. Trello's attachment feature allows you to upload files directly to a card from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or other sources. Keeping all relevant information centralized within the task card eliminates the need to search through emails or shared drives, saving time and ensuring everyone has access to the latest versions. Step 9. Utilizing comments for communication. Trello isn't just a task management tool. It's also a communication hub. The comments section within each card allows team members to ask questions, provide updates, and discuss specific tasks directly. This eliminates the need for separate email threads and keeps all communication related to a task in one easily accessible place, improving clarity and reducing misunderstandings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.